What's up, guys? It's your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. This is a 2007 Scion TC, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out. Now, I already have the cover down. That's the radio. This one's fairly easy. What you want to do is get your panel removal tool and take this trim off first. So once you pop this trim off, only held in by clips, you're going to just move that to the side. There's no need to actually unplug any harnesses or actually take it all the way out. After that, literally, I didn't even use my panel removal tool on this. I just kind of grabbed it from the outside, and all of this is held in by clips as well. So you just want to go ahead and move forward, grab that. Stuck on that AC at the top. Oh, and there we go. So, and this right here is one harness. It is hooked up to our passenger airbag and all that kind of stuff. And I really don't have to take that apart either, because now all I have is these two Phillips right here at the bottom and those two 10 mils, one on the left, one on the right. You probably need a deep socket 10 mil to get those two out, but once I do that, this whole thing will come out. We will be reusing these factory brackets because we have another double DIN that's going in. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out and get the radio out. All right, so I took those two 10 mils and those two Phillips out, and now we have our radio. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take these off, put them on the new radio with the little dash kit that comes with it, and gonna see how that looks. All right, guys, so there you go. This is the JVC KWR 930 BTS Metro Dash kit used. Access ASWC1 used for the steering wheel controls. And they're working pretty good. Alright, and that's about it, man. So if you guys found any value in this video, man, please hit that like button. Don't forget to share, comment, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more content. And if you got a Scion TC, I hope this helped you out on how to actually install everything. Until next time, it's JP signing out, people. Peace.